How to take 1 hour data pack in Cell 2025 full guide. Most people get this wrong, but activating a 1 hour data pack on Cell in 2025 is quick and straightforward. You won't believe how fast you can get internet access for short-term use. Start by dialing Cell.co on your phone. From the menu, select Data Packs and look for the 1 hour option. This pack typically provides a small amount of high-speed data ideal for browsing or messaging. Next, confirm your purchase. The cost will be displayed, usually affordable for temporary use. Once confirmed, you receive a message notifying you that the data pack is active. Open your mobile data settings to ensure data is enabled. Start browsing, streaming, or messaging. The pack lasts exactly 1 hour, so monitor usage if you want to maximize the data. The surprising truth is that many users buy daily or weekly packs unnecessarily. The 1 hour pack is perfect for short tasks or emergencies, saving money and avoiding unused data. In conclusion, taking a 1 hour data pack on Cell 2025 involves dialing, selecting the 1 hour pack, confirming purchase, and enabling mobile data. It's a fast, cost-effective way to stay connected for a short period.